What is a heat map? A heat map is a powerful visualization tool used in GIS. It's a way to represent data using colors to show the density or intensity of a particular phenomenon across a geographical area. Heat maps help us spot patterns in natural resources like forests. For example, we visualize forest cover across a region. A heat map would use colors to highlight areas with dense forest cover in darker shades and areas with less forest cover in lighter shades. Now, you might be wondering where you can easily perform these analyses. That's where MAPOG map analysis comes in. Let's see how we can make it. The first step is to add our GIS data, which includes information about forest cover in the region of interest. Click on the Add Upload button and choose Add GIS Data. Here search the country. And selected the forest polygon data and click on the Add button. Name the untitled map. And change the layer name for better visualization. Utilize a heat map style to visually represent the distribution of forest cover within the selected area. Click on the Style Data button and choose Heat Map Style. Here select the layer and choose the weighted attribute and color gradient. Then click on the Save Style button. Share the generated heat map visualization to effectively communicate analysis results. Thank you for watching. Be sure to explore our other powerful tools for further analysis and insights.